In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule focus time in Google Calendar, whether you're aiming to block out distractions or ensure you're dedicating time solely to your tasks. Google Calendar's focus time feature is just what you need. Let's dive into how you can set this up seamlessly and enhance your productivity. First things first, you'll need to access your Google Calendar. Simply navigate to your browser and type in calendar.google.com. Once you're there, you'll likely see your events laid out across a week or month view. It's all set for you to start planning. Now, spotting the specific time you wish to dedicate as focus time is key. Browse through your calendar and click on the date and time you want to block off. This could be any day you choose where dedicating focus time is essential. Once you click the time slot, a new event window will pop up. Here's where the magic happens. Select the focus time option from the event type list. Next, let's define the boundaries of your focus period. In the event creation window, you should see options to set the specific start and end times. Make sure this duration suits the task at hand. You want just enough time to be productive, but not so much that it becomes exhausting. Remember, 1 to 2 hours of solid focus time can be extremely effective. Now, to fine-tune this focus session, you have the option to mute chat notifications. This can be crucial if you're easily distracted by constant pings and alerts. Keeping these distractions at bay ensures your attention stays on the task you're trying to conquer. Another useful feature when setting up focus time is choosing how you handle meeting invitations during this period. You have the option to either automatically decline meeting invites or send a personalized message, letting people know you're unavailable. This not only respects your time, but also keeps your colleagues informed without any miscommunication. Once you've set everything to your liking, it's time to cement these efforts into your schedule. Do a quick review to ensure all looks perfect, date, time, and any notifications you might need. After this briefing, simply hit save. Your focus time is now officially part of your calendar, and you're a step closer to mastering your productivity. And that's it, you've successfully scheduled your focus time. Remember, consistency is key. Whether it's daily or weekly, try to maintain these to ensure you're getting the most out of your day. Thanks for tuning in, and happy focusing.